Hello and welcome to the Interview Introduction webinar. My name is Saurabh Dey, General Manager for Business Development at PCSoft, and along with my colleague Rahul Mishra, I will introduce you to the exciting Interview solution. We believe Interview can dramatically improve your manufacturing business and take your corporation to new heights of productivity and efficiency. This webinar has been designed as an interactive medium. You will find a chat panel on the right hand side of your screen, and you are welcome to post your questions at any time within the space provided. Our expert team is on standby and will respond to you immediately. To find more information or to see other recordings in this series, please visit our website www.pcsoftindia.com. So let's commence our half-hour session. Hope you enjoy it.
नमस्कार, मैं राहुल मिश्रा आप सभी का अपने सहकर्मियों के साथ इस वेबिनार में स्वागत करता हूं। जैसा कि आप अपने कंप्यूटर की स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं, बाईं ओर एक प्रेजेंटेशन दिखाया जा रहा है तथा दाईं ओर आपके लिए एक चैट बॉक्स दिया गया है। आप अपने क्वेश्चंस चैट बॉक्स पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और मेरी एक्सपर्ट टीम या मेरे सहकर्मी इसका आपको तुरंत जवाब देंगे।
Let's begin with a brief profile of PCSoft. Established in 1988, PCSoft has been a single product company since inception. Unlike some other players, we have resisted the urge of dwelling into unrelated areas. We have always had just one product and served mainly one segment, manufacturing, although we also serve related sectors like traders and project executors. PCSoft has a state-of-the-art development center in Pune, employing over 100 specialist software engineers and implementers. We have over 2,000 man-years of ERP experience with over 450 installations. We also have a customer base in the Middle East and Southeast Asia apart from India. And PCSoft has been the winner of the Wipro CSI Award for the best indigenous software product in the year 2000.
आप जैसा कि देख रहे हैं, PCSoft एक ग्रोइंग कंपनी है जो प्रतिवर्ष तेजी से ग्रो हो रही है। इसकी शुरुआत 1988 में हुई। हम कंटिन्यूअस 22 साल से इस ERP मार्केट में सक्सेसफुली स्टेबल हैं।
Interview is a very rich ERP solution abounding in features. With a 22-year history of smiling clients and over 500 successful project executions, it's also very mature and time-tested. It has world-class quality and it's flexible, so it can be customized for your special needs. Last but not least, Interview is also light on your pocket. It gives you an affordable TCO. It's not too expensive. For those who are not already familiar with the concept of ERP, we thought it best to spend just one slide explaining what ERP software is all about. Simply put, ERP is a holistic software which gives you the right information at the right time and in the right format so that your company can prosper. It helps you make decisions at a strategic level, at an operational level, and at a tactical level. If you ask me to describe ERP in one word, I would use the word holistic or wholesome, because it helps you manage and coordinate all resources, information, and processes within your company. If you have an ERP software, you need no other commercial applications. That's the whole point of ERP, to have everything under one umbrella. It reduces all cycle times like the billing cycle, the production cycle, and the delivery cycle. We also believe that ERP frees up your resources so you can concentrate on value addition such as new product development and building a competitive advantage rather than just on mundane activities. With Interview, you have a choice of topologies, also called architectures. These topologies are based on magnitude of operations, geographical imperatives, and the number of users in your company. We are now about to show you 3 different topologies. Let's say your first ERP implementation adheres to topology 1. As your operations expand, you can quickly and seamlessly migrate to topologies 2 or 3. So migration is no problem.
जैसा कि आप स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं, यह हमारा फर्स्ट नेटवर्क आर्किटेक्चर है जो कि बहुत ही सिंपल और साधारण है। इसकी विशेषताएं हैं फर्स्ट, इसके लिए हमें किसी स्टैटिक आईपी की आवश्यकता नहीं होती है। सेकंड, इसके लिए किसी भी टर्मिनल सर्वर लाइसेंस की भी आवश्यकता नहीं है, केवल लैन कनेक्शन की एक फैक्ट्री प्रीमाइसेस के अंदर आवश्यकता होती है। फॉर सपोर्ट पर्पस हम टीम व्यूअर और स्काइपी जैसे सॉफ्टवेयर की सहायता ले सकते हैं।
You now see the second of our topologies. This topology is apt for mid-sized or large-sized firms having more than one plant or those having multiple branch offices. It is also very suitable for firms having internationally or domestically outlying operations. This architecture needs a terminal server and remote locations are connected by using Remote Desktop Protocol (RDP). Due to this, the main site should have high-speed internet connection, preferably a lease line. Fixed IP address for the server is mandatory, and remote networks like secondary plant or regional offices also need reasonably high internet speed like broadband or high-speed dial-up. Now, RDP is a simple-to-use desktop sharing technology from Microsoft, which is usually configurable with user profiles and very secure. This topology is highly preferred if you are a hardcore manufacturer with one main production facility and several other satellite locations. Please note that the production module is not available in topology 3, leaving topology 2 as the best option if you want strong control over production activities from both local and remote sites. Now take a look at topology 3, which we call dual architecture. This topology is apt for companies who wish to leverage the power of browser-based computing. By extending our package to a virtualized or browser-based form, we have ensured that anywhere you have a browser, you can access your firm's ERP application. Although you still need a live server with a fixed IP at your main site, an expensive lease line is not a compulsion. Even low bandwidth is sufficient for remote sites and there is no need to set up a terminal server. We also offer the special extensions for browser-based users such as Web CRM, extranet and published website called Storefront. The Web CRM has both a sales component and a customer relationship component. You can use it to handle your sales pipeline and to perform analysis or forecasting. Our extranet is a new age tool enabling automated information flows from your office to your suppliers and trading partners, negating the need for considerable human interaction and greatly reducing the incidence of errors. The browser system is not available separately. It's merely an offshoot of the GUI system. The production module is not available within browser, as we mentioned before. From this slide, you can understand that the browser version and the GUI version are actually almost identical. You can see that both versions have corresponding elements and serve the same objective. The browser-based panels are only used for better remote access and portability on various devices or operating systems. Apart from that, the general functionality is identical.
आप देख रहे हैं हमारे PCSoft ERP की सशक्त उपस्थिति मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज में है तथा इससे जुड़े कारोबार जैसे कि ट्रेडिंग, ऑटो एंसेलरी की ग्रोथ में भी सॉफ्टवेयर का काफी योगदान है। मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के अलावा भी हमने विभिन्न सेक्टर्स कवर किए हैं जैसे कि फैसिलिटी मैनेजमेंट, कंसल्टिंग एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग।
One very special feature about IntiView is that we have pre-configured ERP renditions for various different industrial verticals and sub-verticals. We have pre-configured renditions for each of the verticals you see on your screen right now. Each rendition has been carefully crafted, taking into consideration the unique processes, specialties and idiosyncrasies of that specific vertical, such as say auto ancillaries, heavy engineering, light manufacturing, metals, pharmaceuticals, etc. Thereby, each rendition takes into account the differences in technologies, differences in manpower skills, and the differences in customary information flows. This pre-configuration approach is unique to PCSoft and it has many great advantages, including the opportunity to drastically cut short time for implementation because the foundation is already set and all that needs to be done is correlation and mapping.
जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, यह हमारी पार्शियल क्लाइंट लिस्ट है जिसे हमने विभिन्न वर्गों में विभाजित किया हुआ। ऑटो एसेसरीज, यूटाका ऑटो पार्ट, हैवी इंजीनियरिंग, अहमद नगर फोर्जिंग लिमिटेड, लाइट इंजीनियरिंग, केबल एंड वायर इंडस्ट्री, प्रोसेस इंडस्ट्री, फार्मा एंड पर्सनल केयर.
We also have a large number of clients in the retail industry such as McDonald's chain of restaurants, a worldwide giant. We have clients in purely export-oriented companies like Aquafarm Chemicals and Indio Shotley. We have consulting firms such as Tata Consulting Engineers. We also serve a number of project-based industries such as HRS Processing Systems. We serve the plastic industry. We serve the polymer industry. We serve the rubber industry, and quite recently we have been serving the textile industry as well. So this shows you that we have a wide variety of clients cutting across a wide swath of industrial verticals and sub-verticals. Now let us introduce you to the modules of IntiView. We have 5 major modules: finance, inventory, production, material resource planning, also called MRP, and distribution. Apart from these 5 major modules which make up IntiView core, you also have special extensions. Now we'll come to these extensions in a few moments. And along with this, we also have statutory compliance, by which I mean specifically Indian statutory compliance, which is prevalent in all 5 modules. It basically transcends all 5 modules. PCSoft has a reputation of being one of the fastest implementers in the country. While as in the industry many companies take a year or 2 to implement, IntiView is implemented in just 15 days. You shall go live in just 15 days. With training and examining of 1 month's business cycle, the entire life cycle of IntiView is 60 days. Immediately after this webinar, we shall be sending you a document explaining more about our implementation life cycle. But for now, you can see on your screen the 3 major phases and the fact that it takes about 60 days to get everything up and running.